morning. It is Friday. And it is raining cats and dogs out here. Oh my goodness. No, stay down there. Okay, I'll just let it go. Oh my goodness, it's raining so hard. Okay. Mike and I are headed to the house to go see the updates. Clearly I won't be able to get any footage of outside because it's pouring down. Hopefully the mud puddles are not terribly bad to where we can't get into the house. I went yesterday, the doors are hung and the cabinets were being installed. And I'm sorry, please forgive me. My name is Camille. Mike's in front of me. And we are entrepreneurs building our forever right now home. And we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, if you hit the like button, and if you left us a comment below. Oh my goodness, why? Why? I swear, diesel trucks drive in any kind of weather like it's not inclement weather. Slow down. I'm on the highway doing 48. I can't even see Mike's car in front of me. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I think I'm gonna turn back around and go on back home after I get done looking at the house. And I hope, because we don't have a front door, I hope there's no water getting in, because it wasn't raining this hard the other day where it was like windy and raining. The other day it was just falling down and maybe slightly blowing, but this is like on a whole nother level. So I'm hoping the rain's not getting in our house, because that would be very, very bad. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get off here so I can focus. I'll meet up back with you guys at the house. Okay, goodbye. Okay, we're here. I'm about to get out. This is crazy. I'm soaking wet. Nobody's here working. Okay, I'm getting out. Hi, honey. Okay, so it'll be flipped around, and then he said cut on site. But I don't understand how there's room for a double oven. We're gonna lose the drawers at the bottom?
We'll probably lose the very last drawer. Yeah. Could be a double oven.
No, I love the drawers. Yeah. Okay. And then that's the door for right there. This is crazy. It's more than wet, but we also need to make sure there's no water getting in at the front door.
Wet and wet.
Honey, there's doors.
Yes, there are doors.
So this door is still sitting in my office, and it does not belong in here. Well, that's pretty boarded up. That's not letting water in. Oh, they left their electricity. It's dark in here, y'all. I wonder, can I turn the flash on? Let me see. Hold on. There we go. So you guys can see. Honey, where'd you go? Can you open them? Okay. Oh, they started trimming around the door. So this is the door from the bathroom to our room. Okay, he's on the other side, so he can't do this, but. And there'll be handles right there. Huh?
My favorite door.
That's your favorite door?
Yeah.
Did you see they start trimming around it? They hadn't started that yesterday.
Leave right here.
That's nice. Huh?
Leave right there.
Where? Oh, gosh. Okay, so another note. It's extremely good for it to rain this hard. So then you can come and see if there's any leaks. Because let's say we closed and it never rained, this leak would have happened after. So they're gonna have to come tear all this down.
I don't know. They might come on the roof and see where it's leaking.
Well, they're gonna have to, because that'll create mold.
Yeah.
They're gonna have to cut it out.
Yeah, mold's only created when there's moisture and it's closed up. The fact that it's still, well, it's getting to the cool.
Yeah, they're gonna have to cut that down.
Well, I don't know. It's not safe.
So, the laundry, yeah. So we need to be. I didn't even hear that dripping when I went in there the first time. There's nothing happening in here except for this puddle. Okay, let's go see. These are the cabinets. Oh, they didn't get that side too. But these are set. Let me see. Nope, not that. This is the double trash. And then these are drawers, deep drawers. And then this opens up. Well, I mean, I guess it's good the leak's in the tub, right? Not anywhere else. Right. Because it was dropping and hitting the plastic. That's splendid. Huh? There's a leak over there too? Oh, that wasn't there yesterday. See, yeah, because I didn't, how did you see that? Because I didn't hear it. Huh? Pantry. Nothing's in here. Let's make sure there's no water getting in over here. I think this is pretty well tucked in. Yeah, it's pretty well tucked in from the rain. Now Mike's got me looking. This is the patio. Here's Aislin's closet. Okay, these doors are pretty cool. So, it can open flat like that. Give a minute to focus. It can go flat that way. Or be pushed against the wall like that. Really cool. And then they catch up top. So yeah, she can have it open like this, the bifold, and this whole entire door swings. Cabinets are still in here. And then this door is hung. This closet door. And nothing's happening in here. So there's this in the basement, but that's where our drain is and our shower. And it's not connected to that pipe yet, so therefore it's dripping in the basement. Is that the only one? Huh? Yeah. What is that? It's a little rain from here, but was this lock here? This wasn't here. This lock. It was 2 holes. Oh, there's one in the back garage too? Oh, we've never been able to open this door. Oh, wow. Huh. I think again, another safety measure. Okay, let me record this stuff for our super. Mike, open the door. Whoo, that breeze is cold. What you looking at? Oh, you trying to open it all the way? Mm-hmm. I think. Oh, okay. think it was already unlocked. You gotta see green. Yep. Keep pushing. Say it again.
So the whole concept is to be able to open the house. I have that flow through, see through.
What do you think about the cabinets, honey? What do you think about the cabinets?
Clean, beautiful. I love the simplicity, straight lines.
Let me see if I turn the light on if you guys can see this better. I think maybe you can see the color a little bit better there. Plain, simplicity, beautiful. Is that all you got?
You just cut me off in midway, so I was gonna.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was trying to turn the light on so they could see the color.
So what was your question again?
I'm sorry, honey. What do you think about the cabinets? What do you think about the cabinets?
Simple, clean, beautiful. I like straight lines. Seamless. Love the color. Good color.
The color is nice, isn't it? What's it remind you of?
I don't want to say it, but House of Rolle.
Mm-hmm. How are you feeling about the, okay, so for our perimeter cabinets, we did the modern flat. How are you feeling about the modern flat? Do you wish you would have did something with a little edge or just simple and clean?
The way it is, simple and clean, very simple and that's clean.
I mean, of course, it'll have handles, you guys, but most people's that we've been in have like a trim around the cabinet, something similar to this.
The only thing that I wish, well, I think we have it before. The pantry door here.
Mm-hmm.
The seams on the doors, instead of being sections, the design on the door is clean. One line going all the way up on the roof and all the way around.
Like our bedroom.
Almost like the bathroom doors in the bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, which I think matches the lines of the cabinet. I think it pops it out, gives it some compatibility in terms of art.
Yeah. So you're happy you went with the not the kind of, they're both modern doors, but you're happy you went with just the one panel, not different panels.
Yeah, one panel. I sort of wish that we had made the same decision on all the other doors, but this is your domain, so.
Let us know in the comments which doors you guys like better, the ones that kind of have the squares or just the single panel like the bedroom.
But I think you should give them a Photoshop
Of the difference. Okay. So this is
door number one.
with the panel. So this is, Mike said, door number one. And then this is the other style. So they all would have been like this.
No, but you gotta close it.
But it's now, and then keep in mind
And I step back from it.
your amount. So like this panel would have been wider on this door. So just picture these boxes gone all the way up. So like the width of the door determines how wide. Oh, okay. And actually you can see both in this frame. Yeah. So this is the single panel, multi-panel. Let us know in the comments which ones you guys like.
I just think because of the height of the ceiling, height of the walls, that the single panel door just complements the height. It just makes
Brings
you
your
wanna
eyes
go
up.
Yeah, it takes your eyes up.
I agree with that. Coming down again. But I think these doors still look very modern.
Modern is not what I'm looking for. I was looking for contemporary.
Got that trimmed out too. So yeah. Now, this color. So on the side, there will be a built situation. And then on this side, it'll be the same, they'll stain them the same color as this wood. So it'll be that soft wood color right here, and there'll be like a little column that comes out and a little column that comes out. And then that same color, this same color, will be on the custom oven, or custom stove hood. Do they take it all the way up to cover that? Are they gonna take that all the way up to cover that? That's what I'm saying. Are they going all the way up that high? Oh, okay. So, and then the custom one we got here will cover that. And it'll be this wood color. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. So from the living room, if I don't fall, you'll see the custom hood that matches the island wood that'll be here. And then that same color wood will be here on top of the stairway. You looking at our lake, honey?
No, I'm just looking at the Lake Space Entertainment Center.
They need to, I meant to text him also and ask him when they gonna cut those out.
Just let them take their time, man.
Well, I'm saying if the people don't know and then they come and start working, then they're gonna work around it.
Yeah, what you mean, these bars here?
Yeah.
No, they know. They'll know, and then they work around it, and they just gotta fix it. Give the man some breathing room. Let him do his thing. And let them pay for it.
When they mess it up.
Or do you think these doors, it's not affecting the temperature inside the house?
I think it's the wind coming in from that. Open over there.
Yeah, see, well, I guess my point is, I don't feel that the inside, the interior is any bit cooler with the doors than it would be without the doors. I think something was reason these doors are gonna have a certain type of gas in it. But it feels just as warm to me. It's definitely warmer with the doors closed than with it open, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, when you had that door open, ooh-wee. I love how open it feels. Mama came the other day and she was like, ooh, you can get a real nice size table over here. There's a lot of walkway in here, so more than one person can be in the kitchen. Honey, are we gonna cook dinner together?
Nope. Not together. We're gonna see who can cook.
We're gonna have a cooking competition? Man, that would make Aislyn's day, because you know she likes to watch those cooking competition shows. We can let her judge us. She would love that. I was trying to see. I don't remember what it's not on here. The oven hood. I'm looking at our layout. So yeah, and then this are 3 drawers. Oh my goodness, let me tell you what happened yesterday. And it did. That better wipe off. It better wipe off. Okay, so the guy that was here yesterday working on the cabinets, can you hear me, honey?
Yeah,
He had a Quick Trip cup that was sweating, just sitting on the wood. And I wanted to tell him so badly, like, sir, can you not do that? And then I said, no, I'm not. Because if it mess up, they just gonna have to pay for another one. Where'd it go? Yeah, you see it? So I hope that's just a stain and not. Oh, and then on the cabinets, they're gonna have to give us a new door or fix this because it's chipped up top. You guys can see that. Can you see it? It's just a basic, but we did add a shelf in there. I forgot about that. Where do you put utensils? I think they still have a stopper. All right, honey. Are we at the end?
yeah.
We're at the end, guys. What?
No, just took a video of myself.
I completely missed this. This wasn't there before. Got the cooler box. I'm gonna lock it. What you looking at, honey? Oh, those are the brackets for the other one. The wrong one. trying to figure out where this water is coming from. That should not be there. It's like the seal on this side's not together, and so it's creating a leak here. I was gonna send a video, but I don't think I am because there's a dent. There's a dent on the other side of this that they have to replace this one anyway. So I'll just leave it alone. Y'all, we were done recording. Honey, tell them what you said. This is what the door would have looked like. Of course, ours would have been taller. But yeah, we're at our neighbors right quick. I had to get that on camera. Okay, this is the end. I hope you can see and hear us. We are about to get out of here. Well, we're about to go be a little nosy for a hot second, and then we're gonna get out of here. Honey, any closing words?
No, it is wet, chilly.
It's freezing.
And whew, I'm ready to live. I can't wait till the heat gets on and to turn the heat on
and the lights.
And the lights.
Oh, the lights.
So
That's be so pretty.
Yeah, that's what I'm actually really excited about at this stage of the game.
Oh, the lights are gonna be so pretty.
Yeah. You know, like my babe said, we discovered 1 or 2 leaks, but we're so glad that it's been discovered at this stage of the game, so they can go back in and correct the problem.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything looks to be well put together. The trims and everything looks seamless, and you can definitely tell it was done by professionals. And so we're all about the detail, and so we truly appreciate that.
So I know I stopped to take some video to send to the superintendent. How about, he's already been here today and already notified the roofers to come fix it.
So
he's on top of it, boy.
He
is on top of it. And I think we'll do a separate video about this, but I'm glad that we selected a luxury builder. Very glad.
Yeah.
Very glad.
Yeah. It says a lot.
Yeah.
I believe people can appreciate the I don't want to say the finer things in life, but when people have when you talk luxury, you talk about having an eye
for detail.
And so that's what we appreciate.
Yeah.
And this builder is sure he's on top of that. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so that's about it.
Yep. And we about to get out of here, y'all.
Until then,
peace out.